Hi everyone, this is Colin from West Cork Beard Company, and today we're going fast and loose with no cameraman, just me and my phone. I have my trimmers and I have my beard brush as well, and what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of my beard and just leave a moustache. Movember is coming up in a few days time. 1st of November, we're going to have a moustache for the whole month to raise some awareness for men's health, like testicular cancer, prostate cancer, and also mental health as well. So just when you have a moustache for the month of November, it'll just kind of kick off some awareness for the health of men all over Ireland and all over the world. So we're going to go for it. First of all, I'm going to get my trimmer turned on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out from the edges of my mouth here. I have a mirror behind the camera, so that's going to help me out. Just to let me know what I'm doing without making a total bags of it. I am not going to go fully clean shaven on the sides and the chin. It's going to be just, if you can see that, it's just going to be a no blade. So I'm just going to go zero. I've done clean shaven plenty of times. I'm not a huge fan of it. I just want a tiny bit of stubble, and then the main focus is the moustache, of course. So let's go, turning on my trimmer, and we're going to go, like I said, I'm going to go where the kind of crack of your lips are, and I'm going to just move across there, and that's going to be my moustache line. There's going to be no sneaky tweaky this time. It's just going to be a solid moustache. That's the look I'm going to go for. So let's go this side first. That's it. So as you can see, I've got one side done. That's just giving my outline before I do the rest of my beard. So I'll go again, just where your two kind of top lip and bottom lip meet. Just going to go across there. There you go. All the way across. So that's going to be my moustache, and now I'm going to go from the sides and bring it down. Let's pray the trimmer battery keeps going. So it is pretty almost a clean shaven that I'm going to go for. It's tough to see the nice beard come off, but it's all for a good cause for this month. There you go, underneath, lots of hair coming off. Now, as I approach the first side of my moustache, I gotta be careful, so let me just slow down a little bit here. Okay. Look how I'm just shaping. Okay. There you go. So again, we're going to focus on getting rid of the beard underneath. Hopefully you can see this properly on the phone. Getting rid of all that nice growth. But it'll grow again, don't worry. I'm planning on having a nice big beard again come Christmas. So as we're almost halfway, I'll just give you a look. So that's the style I'm kind of going for. Little bit of stubble there, obviously the big thick moustache, little bit of stubble. That's the look I want. People have said to me, why aren't you going clean shaven for Movember, just as in totally clean shaven? But in my opinion, it takes longer than 30 days to grow a decent moustache. So I'm going to start strong. I'm going to have a decent moustache going into the 1st of November, and then we will take from there and just grow it out for the whole month. Okay, again, gotta be careful. So I'm gonna move up to the side here now again, and same thing on the other side. If you see me looking beyond the camera, it's just there's a mirror beyond the camera so I can see what I'm doing. But you know, I'm excited for a new look, that's for sure. My skin gets a little bit red, it's just from me jabbing it with the trimmer. There's hairs flying everywhere. Okay, the battery of the trimmer seems to be holding up, thank goodness. So underneath, we're almost there. It's a fast job, really. And again, just carefully does it around that moustache. Okay, last little bit. There we go. Say goodbye to the last little bit. Underneath, lots of grey hairs flying. Final touch up. Okay, that's not looking too bad. So final touch up now here. Get the last few stray hairs, especially around the mouth area. And that is more or less it. Very fast job with the trimmer. Turn that off. I can clean that up myself without you kind of staring at me doing it and wasting a few minutes on the video. So there it is. That is what I'm starting with Movember. Very happy with it. Like I said, it's not, there's no, if I can go close, there's no real sneaky tweaky there. It's just the kind of solid, like I said, I wanted the kind of Tom Selleck style moustache. I have that now. I'll clean up this area. Obviously, I'll be cleaning kind of the line here where my neck meets my head, and yeah, I'll be keeping my lip line clean as well. So that's phase 1 of the Movember guide, the shave off. Like I said, I'm not going to shave everything off. I'm going to use what I already have and bring this into the month of November for Movember. If you like the videos, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.